Hello, everybody. This is Connor Hardy. This is Connor Hardy, and we are going to do a dirt bike video. Hey, I cleared some storage off, and it gave me a lot of it.
You what?
I can make like 42 minutes and 52-second videos on this one. I have no idea how I'm going to attach this on there. Oh, probably just gonna hang on.
That's not gonna work very well, dude. You're gonna end up racking out. Do not do that. You need to put it on your neck.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I mean, that works.
Is it gonna stay? You sure about that?
I think it will.
You drop it, you run over, and you're gonna have fun.
I know.
I don't think that's a deal.
We need a GoPro is what we need. What's that?
Is it recording now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ha 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 ha. I got your face on YouTube. Karen.
I'm not a Karen.
Hey y'all.
Alright, I guess I get a new motorcycle then, don't I? If Karen bought you a motorcycle, you want me to take it?
No. You're not taking nothing. Okay, this is the first time I've done this with like a phone on the front of my helmet. It's not on top of my helmet either, it's on like the nose part. I really hope it's still recording and it does not fall off because it did seem kind of loose on it. Only a little bit. Dude, they need to shut their door. They've had that door open for almost 2 hours now since I got back from school. Ow, almost popped that wheelie on me. I'm slipping. I feel like I need goggles on for this because now that I have this phone on here, it's making the wind go in my eyes. Yeah, I need goggles for this because my eyes are watering. My eyes need to get used to all this wind in my face. They need to. I think they are already, but they need to even more. Enough where I can't, I won't have any problem with water in my eyes because my eyes will just turn into goggles. Now, you gotta watch out for like the trenches inside of the, oh, I need to shift down. Almost killed my engine. Hang on, where are these trenches at? Okay, that's not it. That almost got me killed. This is when I was riding the Yamaha four-wheeler. It threw me off the four-wheeler and I felt my leg going under like the footboard. And I felt it touching the wheel and I'm like, oh crap, I'm about to die. Go on, stupid bird. Get out of here. Get off this field. This is not your property. Get over here. It's not your property. Come on. I think that's a crow. I think. See, I almost hit that. Ah, my eyes are watering again. Oh, never mind. sure how many of you guys live in Columbia. Oh, gosh dang it. Get out of here, stupid bird! Ah, get out of here. This is not your property. That bird, that crow, yep, he's going back down. I just saw him go back down to the field. Get over here. I'm gonna go up on him silent. What are you doing? It's not your property. Go on, Karen Bird. Get out of here. If I see you go down one more time, I'm shooting you with the BB gun. Watch, he's gonna go down. He's gonna go down to the field. He's gonna go down to the field. I know he is. I'm just watching him. He's gonna go down to that field is what he's gonna do. He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump off that tree and then he's gonna go down to the field. Now this is my first time having the phone on my helmet, and it's actually stayed on the entire time, surprisingly. I actually don't know if it's still recording or not. Let me check. Yes, it's recording. Did that freaking bird just go down to the field again? No. Almost stalled it. He's right around this tree. I know he is. Oh, wait. Maybe he flew off. People are saying this whole freaking place is going to be turned into like a nursing home. It better not be. See, look, the door's open. I don't know how the video's gonna look, but I hope it'll turn out good. I really do. What? Yeah, it stayed on the whole time when I'm chasing this crow around the field. I'm like, get out the field. This is not your property. It stayed on the whole time. I checked it once to see if it was recording, but I think I'm gonna go out real quick. You know what? This is gonna be an hour-long video. It's gonna be an hour-long video.
That's a long video, dude.
What?
That's a long video.
I already have 1 hour-long video. That was the train yard one. Yeah.